Hello, my name is Shafi. In this demonstration, I'll show you how to use the File on Web application to interact with your Excel sheet and the File Marshal's portal to retrieve the data from Fire Marshal's portal and organize into your Excel sheet and also create email alerts 60 days, 30 days, 15 days, and 2 days prior to the test expiration dates. So currently, I'm going to show you how to interact and how to create a user and pull the data. But the alert part, I already developed, but the testing is in progress. So I won't be showing that in here. Here, you can see on the screen, you need authenticator and the OneDrive access. So you can download the authenticator from your uh, Android or iOS app store, and then uh, you can also do the same thing for OneDrive. This application you can use on your cell phone, laptop, desktop, any device. So this works across multiple devices. So let me go to the website and show you the demo. So let me open the browser of your choice. I'm using Safari in here. So type dev.fileonweb.com. So this will open the page like this. So here you have a file on web page and you have sign in and create one option. So if you already have a account, you can sign in. If you don't, you just click on the create one at the bottom right. Once you click on that, you will see this page will open. Here you will type your email address. In my case is admin@webset.onmicrosoft.com. This is my OneDrive address. You can use your personal address and then create a password. So I'll create a password here. And I'll confirm the password and click on create account. So this is asking for registration, right? Subscribe now. So you can subscribe or you can, this is a test environment, so you can just ignore that by entering the dummy values that I'll provide here. You just click on the subscribe now. Then you click on, okay, you click on this card. So it will open up this menu. Here you type 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 42, 16 letters altogether. So that's some dummy values. And a month, any future month and future year. And here any dummy value 1, 2, 3. And name is Muhammad. I'll just put in my name. And zip code, put any zip code. And just click on pay. And it's processing now. So this is processed. Now I can open up the home page again for dev.fileonweb. Once the payment is complete, I'll now log in as the existing user using the same credentials that I created earlier. So let me type that in here, then click sign in. So it will open the same page again. It's asking me, since I'm already subscribed, so I'll just put in my email what I entered while creating the accounts. That's my email. Then I'll click on I have paid, activate my account. I click on that. Now it will show you on this page. And this page, the first step is connect to your Microsoft account. You click on Microsoft Connect. This is the one time you do it. Next time when you log in, if you're already connected, you don't have to connect all the time. So here I'm using my Microsoft Connect account and click next. And here the password for my OneDrive. So I enter that here and then sign in. Then it will ask the authenticator to enter this number. So I'll go into the authenticator and put the number there and just click yes. And once you click yes, it will ask to unlock it. Then you unlock it and you have your authenticator information. So the one is relevant is my personal one. I'll click on this and then I go back to here and this should be okay now. I say don't show, yes. And now I'm logged in. So now what I need to do is I have to, if I want to create a new Excel sheet in the step 2, I need to share that link. How I'm going to do that is by going to the OneDrive that I have shown you earlier. I open this OneDrive and this is my OneDrive. So here I have a folder called FileOnWeb. This is where I'm going to create my Excel sheet. So I'm going to I open that folder and click share on the top. You just copy the link to share. So link copied. Now I'll go back to this application and here I'll paste that shareable link and I click verify and save. It will check and it will verify it. And then if you want to create a new Excel, you just name the Excel here. Currently by default is petrol loops data. I can type anything. So say petrol loops and then I can just say create Excel. It will create name. This is giving me the alert that create a new file name Excel. You click yes, okay. Now you should have a file created here in your OneDrive. If you go here, folder is empty. Now I see it's created here in petrol loops. It did not create in the folder, but it created outside because I think it won't create in the folder. So you have to, because when I shared the link, I didn't put FileOnWeb at the end. That's why it created here. So this is the one. Now if you open this, it has nothing in here. It's empty. As you can see it created with the default facility name and address, facility number. So those are the default columns it created. And now if you go back to the application over here, you can test it by passing your data. So I need to find, okay, let me see. Then I can go back to my dashboard now here. So on the dashboard, it has options. You fetch data from Fire Marshal's portal, which is SFM portal, that's the State Fire Marshal portal, or you can create the data from your script with Excel sheet already that's existing Excel sheet. So you have two options. Let me so now here let me enter the value here, say the facility number. I'll put in here 20 just to test this 172017680, and I say fetch from SFM portal. I click this button and it will fetch the data and display it here. So right now you have 0 customers. Once you have that fetch, you see the customers, total tanks, work orders in the bottom. So it will be updated. As you can see, it's 00 now. So once it's fetched, it's saying that it is already fetched, sync complete. So now see in the bottom, it will show you that you have 1 customer. It has 9 total tanks and 0 work orders, 0 unpaid. So this needs this work orders and unpaid invoices. We have to manually enter that, or I can automate that if someone wants it. And here's the alert email. You type in your email address that you want to get the alert, so you can do that. So it will send you the alerts. And here, as you can see, the data is fetched. Let me go back to the OneDrive Excel sheet to make sure it is updated here. Let's see. See if you open the Excel sheet. Now you have data. Here you have the customer name in the customer's facility number, address, and the owner name. And here you have facility number and the tank one. It has gasoline. Its status is removed, and the equipment installed, and there's nothing here. So, but if you go to tank 7, it has capacity of 6,000 gallons, and this is gasoline is currently in use. The status, it has fiberglass equipment, and it has no equipment install or dates. So, but if you go further, if you see other tanks, they have dates, that install date, and stuff like that. And then if you go down to other column, so it has test expiration date. It shows here for the users that has expiration failed test date. Then other sheet, you have all these alerts created. So if you look at this, the alert for this annual test is the annual test on the right side, and 2 days before the alert is this date, and 15 days is with this, 30 days will be January 5, 2026, and 60 days will be December. So these are the alerts created, and it will send the email to the users. So this is, so far this is how much is developed. It's still in progress. This is for just testing purpose. And if you go back to, like I said,